Hello, I'm Renska. I am a software developer who do Ruby on Rails and AngularJS application. And a few months ago, I do Ludum Dare. It was number 31, and it was a really interesting experience and making game and give me back a lot of questions, especially how to test game because in web application we really used to make TDD, test driving development, and integration test. And in video games is not something that we really seen oft. And sometime I start a new game a few months ago, in the same time, and it was kind of hard to test specific behavior. This is my game, so I just start in some state, so there is no starting screen and something. And as you can see, there is kind of logic. It's a teleportation game through words, so there is a lot of use case, and they are kind of hard to test and to debug. So I decided to write my own integration test framework. uh, I will do some demonstration here. The game can run in a specific level for testing, and it do tests, and I can know if my spec fail or not and what to implement if I change code. This is really like what you can see in older framework for testing, especially Ruby on Rails. Here is a spec that I write. There is free spec. I use aspect-oriented programming, so I never change the code of my game when I test it. I just inject some behavior. Just after booting, I have some value here set to 0, and then I inject things for testing. For example, changing direction. I just inject some new function, and then at the end I just expect some value. Here I expect that the value is set to 1 just to check if something happened. Um, there is also a validation condition. Here is a set timeout. Uh, because game are loop, I use time. After 3 seconds of a game, I just finish it. So uh, here is in my game, but today I want to share it with the community. So I start to extract some files from this game and start to open and create a framework for testing video game. I hope it will grow in the next week, and maybe redo this video because this is the first time I open a video. So I have a lot to learn, and I expect you enjoy it, and see you in the next commit. Bye.